Hi, Rohan. Thank you for taking out the time for this. We value this a lot. So, to get started, we just wanted to understand what is your current role and what are you currently building?
That's an interesting question. We are a stealth startup, and we have started solving for the SMB problem.
Hmm.
It's a huge market opportunity that's there,
Hmm.
and we are trying to really understand how we can build a scalable software for the SMB tech, which will enable smaller organization to really have enterprise kind of capability without being difficult to use and without being expensive to own.
Right. So, how hard was it for you to get any kind of user research done in this space when you were building your startup?
Yes, user research really happens, or in any kind of user connect happens when you are out there, when you're out there in the field. So if you are, let's say, assume in an exhibition, or you are in a conference, or you're going and walking to different organizations and setting up those meetings. In today's world, this is going to become more and more difficult. There is a reason for that because geographically people are placed in different places. Like some of the customers that I would like to go and meet are in Gujarat or Mumbai or somewhere out in Noida or somewhere Gurgaon or something. So it becomes very difficult for me to travel that often and connect with those folks everywhere. So the challenges that we typically face in user research is in being able to be near them,
Mhm.
especially when in a remote context, when we are completely working offline.
Right.
Sorry, not in offices and everything. We have all the freedom then possible, but getting that user connect is very difficult.
Right. So, Rohan, coming to the main point, what made you choose us over any other alternative options that you were possibly considering?
I think two reasons. One, because you guys kept, I realized that you guys kept on appearing in different places. I
Right.
would observe you on LinkedIn. I guess for whatever reason, right? I would see that often. I think when I tried the product, I think there's no doubt. I think your product is very good because I tried other products, tried many products in fact, and I also am a person who has been in design for more than 20 plus years. I have done user research, countless user research sessions. And when I look at that entire package, and I would not really talk about it here because I want people to experience it. It is there are some very good hidden gems in the product which will add a lot of value to any designer, which add a lot of value to any uh, user researcher, I guess. I mean, people will have different perspectives, but I definitely encourage everybody to go and try this product out.
Right. And do you think after trying out a platform, it was able to save time on the user research part? Because that is something that we are trying to solve constantly. Because if you consider a normal user research research project, it usually stretches over weeks. So do you think we were up to the mark in solving that one particular issue?
Definitely, yes. I think the segment I was really looking for in SMB was kind of tough. Also, the kind of users I was looking for was tough, and the kind of results I got were definitely very helpful.
Hmm.
It I'm a pure I'm as a user researcher. When I have done user research, I go to great lengths creating the task scripts. I sit down understanding the persona. I spend a lot of time setting up that entire system in which, and even when I have led teams, I have done the same. Like depended a lot on user research. So this time around, as an entrepreneur, it was a different scene for me. I did not have a user research recruiting team that would go and recruit
Right.
users for. What I did not also have was, um, you know, people who would help me do all of the setting up the task scripts and everything and zoom into all that. So I had to do it in a very limited point of time, and I had to get some very specific feedback for my entrepreneur deal, right? So this
Right.
is different from when you are actually running a product already and you are like maybe 2 years into the product and you're getting feedback. It's a different scenario. For a
Hmm.
0 to 1, it's a different scenario. You need very specific feedback. Is there something wrong in what I'm thinking? Are
Hmm.
people going to pay for this product or not? So in that way, this product helped me a lot. To your question about saving time, yes, it helped me save a lot of time. Yeah, I mean,
That's great. That's great. So, Rohan, then finally, like if somebody out there listening from like a D2C brand perspective or a product team as well, what would you say to them if they are considering us?
so specifically to the D2C products, I think a D2C product, the entire thing is perspective,
Hmm.
perception, as I might call it, right? So when you are just scrolling the Instagram reel, what comes to your mind? What do you really feel when you see it, and what do you associate with it?
Hmm.
Questions like this can help you connect the dots between what the image that you are projecting in front of users and what you intend to do and what users really feel.
Right.
And I think this that entire thing about being able to test so many users. These guys have a huge user base, so you can actually go out there and get it tested by so many people, and you can understand what is the perception,
Hmm.
and then you can
Right.
get closer and closer to the perception that actually results in sales. So
Correct.
that is for D2C. For product, I think one thing again I really liked was it is AI based, which means that as the questions people are talking, it is going to refine itself. I'm not going to go too deep into what it does, but
Right.
that's for you to explore. But that entire magic is what will get you great results, will get you far ahead in your game.
Right. 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 So, thank you so much for this, Rohan, and we really appreciate for you to take out your time and give us this feedback. It means a lot for us as well.
Thank you. Wish you all the very best. I'm really hoping you guys make it big and help a lot of other people become big. Thank you.
Right. Thank you, Rohan.